So now we're going to look at how to create assignments. This is a really cool option, and I'm sure there are a ton of different ways that you guys will be able to adopt this and utilize this in your courses. So within the course builder, I'm just going to click assignments, and we're going to create an assignment for this course. And we can determine a time duration if you want it to be 1 day, 1 week, 1 hour, after they've completed this, whatever you want it to be, or just leave it at 0 for no time limit. You can assign a number of points for this assignment. You can add multiple assignments. And if you have a total of 10 points, you can assign a minimum pass points. I'll show you in a second where this is in your dashboard. But you can grade the assignments, and they would need at least a 5 out of 10 or whatever you determine it to be able to pass the assignment. And you can define the number of files that students can upload to this assignment, and it would be 0 to disable this option to upload. So if you don't want them to upload, you just do 0, but I want 1 upload. You can also set the max file size limit. By default, this is 2, so you can keep it there, and that would be 2 megabytes. So it shows it right there. I'm going to click Update Assignment, and here it is. The one thing you'll notice here is that the assignment showed up at the top of your lesson. But with the drag and drop, you can just move it to where you want it to be and put things in any order that you want. And with that, I'm going to save. And yes, I do save often. The platform will actually save automatically for you. Out of good practice, I will save my courses frequently when I'm working on them. So I'm going to come down here and open up Create a Course. You can see my new assignment. And we're ready to go. So now that we have the assignment created, I'm going to click Preview, and we can see the lesson, which has been completed. We have all our information. We have all the topics, the quizzes, the lessons. Here's the assignment that we just created. Here's the quiz that we created before. And if I go into Continue to Lesson, I can actually try my lesson out and see how it works. So you see the images that I added for my lesson will show up here. The videos will show next, and whatever information I've added will show below it. Now, ideally, you're much better off with paragraph format, which most of you do anyway. This is just an example for you. So yes, I do have bullets here, but I would highly suggest writing this in paragraph format. And I'll be updating the contents of this after the video. All right, so now we're going to take a look at the assignment in this course. So that assignment is in the Create a Course lesson, and this is what we want to get to. You can see the description of the assignment right here. There is no time duration. The total points they can get is 10. They need 5 minimum to pass. So I'm going to click Submit Assignment, and now the assignment pops up, and we can type in our answer. And now I can upload a file. And we had specified in the course itself that they could upload up to 3 files. So that's why you see 3 there. And I have my 3 images right here. And I'm going to click Submit. So now you can see that my assignment has been submitted. Here are the files that I uploaded. And from a student perspective, I've submitted my assignment, and I can go on to the next lesson. So from an instructor perspective, and then come down to Assignments, and you can see the assignment that I just submitted as a student. So if I click on Details here, you can see this is what I had submitted. 10 points total, results pending, because as an instructor, I've not evaluated this yet. So I'm going to click on Evaluate. And here are the 3 images that this student submitted. So if I click on it, I can see the image. Click on this one, I can see the image. Click on this one, I can see the image. So now, and this is what the student had submitted as the description. So now I can assign my point value out of 10, add a note to the student, and hit Evaluate the submission. There you go. So now the student will get an email saying that their assignment has been evaluated, and also what the evaluation is.